Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Salihin bin Ibrahim. Today I will present about my project. Firstly, I want to say thank you to my supervisor, Puan ROHAINA binti JAFFAR, and Co-Supervisor, Puan KARMILAH binti JAFFAR, and also to my panel, TS AMINURRASHID bin NOORDIN and TS SALEHA binti MOHAMAD SALEH. My project title is Solar PV Powered Air Conditioner for Small Room Application. The contents first: problem statements and objective and scope, background theory, literature review, flowchart, and expected result and conclusions. Problem statement. First, increasing global consumptions on electricity energy over the years may contribute to global warming. Therefore, we have the option to choose green energy approach, which can be used to minimize energy source from the natural world. Photovoltaic solar is one of the renewable energy that is easy to reproduce electricity. When sunny day, heat from the sun will transfer to objects include the wall and absorb the heat and make the room in the house so hot. Air conditioner need to use to reduce temperature in the house but make electricity cost is increased. The aim of this project is to making small air conditioner by using PV solar to reduce the temperature in the room and make to saving the electricity cost. Objective. The main goal for this project are to develop a project that use solar energy source for air conditioner system to reduce temperature in small room applications, to control room temperature using Peltier effects. Scope for this project to develop a solar power air conditioning system using Peltier effects, to develop prototype design and usage demonstration small room applications, and to analyze the performance of the system design. Background theory. Solar energy is the energy obtained by capture heat and light from the sun. Energy from the sun is referred to as solar energy. Technology has provided a number of ways to utilize this obtained resource. It is considered a green technology because it does not emit greenhouse gases. Solar energy have two types that's called active solar and passive solar. Active solar is directly consumed in activities such as drying clothes and warming of air. Passive solar techniques include orienting a building to the sun, selecting material with favorable thermal mass or light dispersion properties, and designing space that naturally circulate air. The uses of solar energy for the generation of electricity. Photovoltaic are arrays of cells containing a solar photovoltaic material that convert solar radiation into the direct current electricity. Solar cells produce direct current electricity from sunlight, which can be used to power bulb equipment or to recharge the battery. However, for grid connection power generation, an inverter is required to convert the DC to alternating current. Literature review. Figure material of photovoltaic solar panel construction. Solar panel construction have another material, electrode, reflect-proof film, N-type semiconductor, P-type semiconductor, and another electrode. Working solar energy. Photovoltaic cells transform sunlight to electricity at direct current. Charge controller work as control of the solar panel power. The battery system acts as electric power storage when sunlight not available. From this system connected to the inverter to convert direct current to alternating current. Flowchart project. First, when start the project, need to do the documentation of the project briefing, work plan, literature review, data analysis. The next step is hardware specification for the project. The next step, circuit design and prototype testing. When you get the problem, need to do the troubleshooting and change the circuit design. When the prototype is success, need to gathering analyzing data. The next step is project assessment and end the project. Methodology flowchart. First, when need to do the methodology, need to research about the topic. Next step, analyze the information, making decisions, and mechanical part, to design the project and component. For the electrical part, such as photovoltaic, solar, peltier, CPU fans, charger, controller, battery. And then need to combine of the mechanical and electrical component to success the project. This is component part of the project. First, solar panel. Second, thermoelectric cooler, another name, peltier. Heatsink, CPU fans, and charger controller and battery. Solar panel. Solar PV modules are built by linking photovoltaic cells or solar cells together. They are made from material semiconductor such as crystalline silicon, and solar module convert the sunlight energy into electrical energy. Solar panel have two types: solar panel monocrystalline and polycrystalline solar panel. First, I will explain about solar panel monocrystalline. Monocrystalline panels have a major advantage due to higher efficiency and slicker elasticity. Silicon is formed into bar and cut into wafer to build monocrystalline solar. Solar panel with solar cells, such as type of panel, are called monocrystalline. To show that single crystalline is the silicon used because the cell is composed of single crystal. There is more room from the electron generating a flow of electricity. The monocrystalline panels are more successful than their copartner in polycrystalline. Polycrystalline solar panel. The advantage of polycrystalline solar panel is a low price point but have low efficiency than monocrystalline. Instead of the black hole of monocrystalline panel, polycrystalline solar panel tend to the blue. Polycrystalline solar panels are also referred as a multicrystalline or many-crystal silicon. As a result, polycrystalline solar panels have lower efficiency rating than monocrystalline panels. Thermoelectric cooler or peltier. A thermoelectric module consists of a number of semiconductor elements of the P-type and N-type that are heavily doped with electric currents. When the current flows through the two conductor junctions, heat is removed at one junction and made cool across. Heat is deposited at the opposite junction. The next is heat sink. Function of heat sink. A heat sink is passive heat exchanger conveying heat. Heat sinks are designed to substantially increase the surface area of contact between solid and fluid, thereby increasing heat transfer opportunities. CPU fan. The CPU fan is important for this project to make air cycle and cooling the air in this system. Two CPU fan is using for cycle the air and make the heatsink still cool. Charger controller and battery. A charger controller are made to charging regulator or battery controller limits the rate at which electrical current is added to or drawn from electrical batteries. It prevents overloading and can protect against overvoltage, which can reduce battery performance or lifespan and pose risk safety. Batteries. Batteries are a series of one or more cells whose chemical reactions in a circuit produce a flood of electrons. Batteries are used during night day to power air conditioner. This is the Gantt chart. The Gantt chart shows the work progress by week. For the Chapter 1, Introduction Project Selections and Discussion with Supervisor at the week 1, 2, 3, and 4. At the week 5 is submission of the report progress to Supervisor. Gantt chart is important to make sure final report preparations and Turnitin reports complete at the week 13. And at the week 14, need to do the report corrections. And for the week 15, do the presentation for PSM 1. Conclusions and expected result. The expected result, the photovoltaic solar can produce the electric power that can be supplied to the air conditioner. To achieve the aim, this project with the solar energy produce electrical energy and restore it into the batteries, and the batteries will use during the night day to power the air conditioner. Last but not least, the important thing that happens when this project is success, that it can reduce the temperature in the room by using solar energy and practice the green energy lifestyle. And lastly, this is the list of reference what I made this project. That's all. I hope this presentation more clear to understand about this project. Thank you.